Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ziggyzaga, but you can call me Ziggy. Today I want to share with you my first ever original video game that I made. Kingfish, a game about a fish crowned king. For this project, it being my first, I have decided to make my own version of Flappy Bird, intended to give the player more control and create a more drawn-out playing experience. To achieve this, I gave the player more orthogonal movement options like swimming faster or slower and added 4 difficulty types. Additionally, I changed the way the pillars work. Regular pillars do not kill the player character on contact, instead, their aim is to push the kingfish into the dark waters, trying to swallow him whole. Your goal is to swim as long as you can. The game gets progressively harder on easy and normal difficulty, but for a real challenge, play on hard mode or the difficulty. The link for the itch.io page is in the description or the pinned comment. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe in order to stay tuned for my future projects.